Want some water? Fresh water. You're a slug cat. Slug cat. Right, guess I have to wait here. Right down, a-hole. Right down, a-hole. Right down, a-hole. Alexa, I want to jog.
Sorry, Let's Chat is no longer available. For now, you can ask me questions or to do things like set a timer, play music, turn on a connected light, and more.
Look at that flock. Look at that flock. Give me a red butt chicken. Book, book. Red butt chicken. Book, book. I'm a jelly. You want some water? Fresh water? Fresh water spray? I'm a jelly. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. I'm a jelly. Can I have a cuddle, miss? Can I have a big, 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 big kiss? Mwah. I love you. You're welcome. Ew. I'm a jelly. You want to go to your word? You want to do your wordings? Alexa, what's a parrot?
The current weather is 44 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 46 degrees and a low of 32 degrees.
Alexa, fart. Oh. Red butt chicken. Book, book. Red butt chicken. Book, book. I'm a dog. Whoop, whoop. I'm a dog. Whoop, whoop. I'm a dog. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm a whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. I'm a dog. Whoop, whoop. I'm a dog. Whoop, whoop. Red butt chicken. 1, 2, 2, 2. Red butt chicken. Whoop, whoop. Alright, so what have you done? Let's go to